Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to add parallax scrolling effect in WordPress. As you can see on the screen, we have a simple scrolling on the website, but when we apply that parallax scrolling effect to different sections of the website, you can see there is a kind of different motion or animation to each section. As you can see that the car on the section is moving, that text is moving, and same like the background image is animating in the screen. Okay, to add parallax scrolling to the web page, I'm going to use Elementor Pro plugin. You can't do this parallax scrolling or motion effects in the basic version or free version of the Elementor. To get Elementor Pro plugin, you can click on the link given in the description. Okay, after installing, I am going to use this page. You can see there is no effects or there is no parallax scrolling. It is just a normal scrolling. So once you click on that edit with Elementor link on the top, now you need to click on this image and then going into advanced setting, and here you can see motion effects. Just click on this. There are two options there, scrolling effects and mouse effects. The moment I am going to do this scrolling effects, clicking this, we switch on the options, sub options you can say, and here I am first going to add a horizontal scroll, and I want to move it from left to right. Okay, now if I scroll down, you can see it is moving, but you can see that I am going down and it is still moving, but I want to stop it somewhere here, so it will stay in this section, right? Okay, for this let's move this arrow in the viewport. Now you can see, I think this much is better. Okay, now you can see it is stopping here. Okay, one more thing, I am applying not just the horizontal, I am going to apply the vertical, so it will give a sense of the car is moving from back to the front. So just clicking on this one, now I am moving down, clicking on the direction will be down, and now if I scroll, you can see it is scrolling down also and to the left also, but again you can see it is actually completely hide that section below it. So same, you have to adjust that arrow on the viewport. So once you scroll down, keep this image in the section. I think this much is fine. Now again you can see it is moving, and if you want to preview it, just hide this panel, how it will look on the website. Now it is a very less movement. If you want to move it more, you have to add some negative margins and some padding to this section, so it will have more motion effect. Okay, for this, let's say I am going to this advanced, and here it has already that top margin 24. I am making it 0 to see where it is starting now. Okay, and if I do it somewhat, going to minus maybe 20, and just like the left margin should be maybe 20, is for less, maybe 50. Now you can see it is actually hiding that top button, so we need to provide some padding, maybe top padding will be 20, maybe 20 is less, 15 you can say. Okay, and rest is fine. Now you can see you can do it 30 also. I think this much is better. If you can see, it has more motion effect than the previous. Okay, now second thing what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some motion effect to this text. You can add any other one. For this I'm clicking this title and then going to same advanced motion effect and then scrolling effect, horizontal effect and to left. Yes, that is fine, but you can see if you moving down it is going too far to the left. I want to keep it in the section. Now what I'm going to do, I'm again moving that arrow on the viewport, and where it will look fine, I think 50% will be fine. Now if you move from the top to bottom, you see heading is moving, and that is fine. And if you want to give that motion effect to this border under the title, same procedure, motion effect, horizontal and scrolling effect, and then the horizontal scroll and to right, so it will go in the other direction. And same, it is going too far to right, so we need to stop here. For this same setting, I think 50% will be fine. Okay, same like we can give some effect to these sections. I'm quickly doing advanced and then motion effect, scrolling effect and horizontal to left, that is fine. And same, it should be 50%. Okay, now same procedure on the other sections, motion effects, horizontal and to left. Yes, that's fine. Okay, same like this, motion effect and scrolling effect and horizontal to left, and this should be on 50. Okay, and this should be now. If you move down, you can see every text is coming. And if you want to see in the preview, you can try it. One more style you can give to these sections. Let's say if you click the first one, you want to provide that fade in effect to these sections. You need to click transparency and then the fade in, and if you move, now you can see text is coming, and but here you can see again the issue is it is still faded. What you need to do, you need to move that arrow on the viewport. Now I think this much is fine. Same for others if you want to do. I'm quickly doing these steps. Now you can see. Okay, same like you can apply these motion effects to other sections also. One last thing which we can see, there is an image on the background. It is actually the fixed one. but we can give some motion effect to this image also, so it has some moving effect or motion effect. I need to click this section, and here you can see it is the image which is appearing on the background, and it is fixed. That is fine. If it is not fixed, you will see it will simply scroll down. It will not fix on the background, so you need to make it fixed. And then it has the size cover, but I am making it maybe default or contained, you can say. Now you can see but you can see it is repeating. So for this what we need to do, no repeat. No, it has a very small image now, and that is fine. What we can do, when it come to this scrolling part, it should scale up, or it should be zoom in. For this I am clicking on the scrolling effect, then clicking on the scale, and now you can see it has some good effect again. That's great. Okay, and you can preview it also. Okay, that's it. I am now updating it, and let's see what is the final product. Okay, now next step is how it will look on the tablet and mobile. I'm just clicked on this icon on the responsive mode, then here is a bar appearing on the top. Here I can see for tablet, I think for tablet we need to remove this margins. There are too much margins. Same, we need to see where it will look fine. I think again we need to make it, I think 20. We placed it on the desktop. Okay, and left is 50. Now you can see it is already on the other section. So what we need to do, top we can say 50, and it should be more on the left. I make it 100. Okay, I guess that is fine. And then what we can do, we can give some more padding on the bottom. Now when we scroll, it is just stopping it here. Now next thing is, if you scroll down, I think it is fine. There is no change here. Okay, now last thing is the mobile. Okay, you can see on the mobile it is too far on the left. We need to bring it. It's 50, but we can say same. We have to give some top padding, maybe 20. That is not good. 50 is fine. Okay, I think that will work now. That is fine on the mobile. And here's the section where we apply the motion effects on the text. I think this look fine. Okay guys, so this is a simple tutorial on how to apply parallax scrolling effect in WordPress and using Elementor Pro. If you want to view my other tutorials using Elementor, you can click on the playlist given in the description. If you have any questions, write me down in the comment section, and till the next video, I am leaving. Bye.